Hi, Jeff with Ponds and Waterfalls, and today I want to make this video to talk about what to do with your water feature when it rains a lot, like it is today. The number one thing you want to do is check for the overflow, make sure that's working properly. Sometimes it may get clogged with pine straw, leaves, or branches, which could restrict the flow. An overflow is something that's going to be located inside your skimmer box if you have one, which directs excess water out and away from your pond. Now you may just have a low edge in your pond or water feature where excess water can drain off. So just make sure the water has a clear path out of your pond if it gets to the overflow level. Now your pond may have become cloudy or dirty with the recent rains. Your filtration system will clean it back up. Just give it a few days after the rain has stopped. Things will be back to normal. Another thing you can do on heavy rain days is simply look out your window and look for areas of runoff going into your pond. Now this can be corrected later, just to kind of make note of, oh, I see some water going into the pond over here, maybe I could redo some landscaping or dredge something out to correct that issue. Another thing you can do that's very important for the fish is to bring the pH level back up in your pond. All this heavy rain has softened the water and probably brought the pH level down. You can add some baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, to your pond water. This is going to help buffer the water back up to a neutral pH that the fish are going to enjoy.